of Bajze. Bajze was founded and settled by 7 brothers, but it was first discovered by a lone rider. Yes, a little Wild West, but the tale starts with a man traveling alone on a horse. The man journeyed south over the steep mountains terrain into a lush forest valley. Several days had passed without water or food. He became too weak to ride and lost in the woods. He could not continue, dismounted and prepared himself for his final rest. He released the horse. It wandered a short distance, but started to paw at the spot in the ground. The horse trotted back to the rider, nudging its nose to the man's chest. The man aroused from his weakened state to inspect the horse's odd behavior. Guided by the horse, the man stumbled to the area the horse had pawed. The horse had found a natural spring. The man was saved by the discovery of water. He found the strength to continue his ride. He later returned to the area and set up a trading post for other weary travelers. The spring eventually became the town's well. It is called the Cave of Ash, Spela e Frasher. The well is still actively used today and centered in the town's park.